So now for example number 3 in your textbook, they give us a cube. And the cube sort of looks like this. And I'm going to just sketch it. Let's label all these. We've got A, D, C, B, G, F, E. Now yesterday when we drew our nets, oh, can't forget H. Yesterday when we drew our net of this thing, how many planes or faces or surfaces are there in a cube? 6. So we're dealing with 6 planes, right? And of those 6 planes, they intersect with each other. And when 2 planes intersect, what do they intersect at? Exactly one line. And those lines we call the edges, right? How many points are on this thing? Well, let's count. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lot. There's a lot of line segments in there too. But the question for example number 3 is simple. It says, what is the intersection of plane A, D, C, and B, F, G. Well, first of all, what are we going to have for an answer based on our postulate? Should be a line, or a line segment in this case. So let's think about that for a second. BFG, a plane, that's this little thing right here, right? That's BFG. And then we have ADC, which is this part right here. Oh, don't forget that this is the point B underneath this. Where did those 2 intersect?
BC.
Yeah, right here. That's where those 2 intersect. Now, if we assume that that's a line and it goes on forever, we would say the line BC. And if we assume that they don't go on forever, we would just say the line segment BC. The book says line, and there's some assumptions that are made. There's a bunch of planes and all this stuff. Technically, I would choose this answer because the planes don't extend forever. It's a box. They say it's a box. But you can contain the line. In other words, if I have the point B and C, I can say that there is a line that exists that goes on for infinity in both directions. So when they say there's a line, you could get away with saying BC. The line BC versus the line segment. It's important to me that you guys understand both. The book asks for a line, but I want you to recognize that there's a segment contained within the line. Does that make sense? Because on the SAT, they'll say line, and they'll give you an answer for a line segment, or vice versa. So you say, why do they have the same answer twice? Well, these 2 are 2 different things. So whether they use the word segment or line makes a difference, and you need to know the difference.